So today is Friday afternoon. My oldest is having a fair at his school with like a petting zoo and games. So we're gonna go to that event right now. And then after the event, we are also gonna go to a little car meet and we're gonna meet at my boyfriend and I'll be taking y'all along. Listen, how excited are you? Like your ice cream?
Don't matter. Yeah, I gotta leave my car though. I definitely can't drive.
We got the family box.
What's he? Oh my God, Brian ate that shit. Osmo! What?
So currently it is 10 a.m. Saturday morning and we are going to Target to get my son this plasma ball that he wanted, that he earned for being good and getting smiley faces for the past 2 weeks at school. So we're gonna go ahead and get that for him, and then I have to buy a gift for a birthday party that I'm going to today. I'm gonna buy her a little gift. Don't these look cute? But wearing white scares me because they get dirty so fast. That's the one you want?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like it?
Yeah.
So this is the wagon that I actually originally wanted. I just cannot bring myself to pay $300 for it, but I absolutely love it. The advantages that you have with your husband not coming to Target with you is being able to buy it. So should I buy it? Should I buy it? Yeah?
Yeah.
I really like these with the little ruffles, but they don't have her sizing, so I think I'm gonna get her 2 of these dresses, and then this is the other one. These are the shorts for my youngest, and I'm looking at these cute shirts, and I think I kind of want to have him matching with his older brother. So we are ready to go to the party. My youngest is in a cranky mood. My beautiful boys matching. That one over there, he is mad right now. He just woke up from a little nap, a long nap. He's cranky. We are on our way to go to the birthday party. I will be vlogging a little bit. It's Mickey Mouse themed and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be absolutely cute. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me.
Okay.
another day, another adventure. We are headed to Ross to look for some luggage because we are going to Philadelphia in April and we don't have any luggage, so we're needing to find something that fits the did you bring the measuring? We forgot the tape measure. But we're needing to find a luggage that fits so we're not having to overpay or pay extra once we get to the airport. And I am on the lookout for a rug for our room. I just need a rug to fill up that empty space. You're gonna put grass in the room?
Yeah. Feel like no.
So we need a rug for the room. I am looking at this one.
I'll show you.
And there's a few.
But that's why you don't put.
But we don't really have much room, and I don't want a shaggy one because the kids will get it dirty.
This.
So I really like this rug. It's so soft, but it's too big, and all of these are a little too big for the room, and we would have to be stuffing it under the bed, and I'm not really looking for that. I'm just gonna go ahead and look on Amazon and keep looking at the stores because I'm not completely in love with it. It's gray and our room is gray, but I don't want to put too much gray in the room. So that is the end of our weekend. We're gonna call it a day and see y'all next time. Bye.